Hi everyone, I just want to let you know what a wonderful job ToKay Auto Detailing did for us. Amazing. The attention to detail, the loving care of our coach, and just nice people. I highly recommend them. I've used them all the time, but I live in California. But they're amazing, and each time I come back to Vegas, they're the people I'm calling. Thanks so much.